Hello, I'm Alperin from the engineering team. Today, I'll be talking to you about the refill process, where we melt the solder on the PCB to secure the components to the board, and about the thermal profiling process, which allows us to check the oven's performance. After the components are placed on the boards, they are subjected to the reflow process. As a result of the reflow process, the materials are fixed onto the board. The oven heats the PCB according to the temperature values we set, ensuring that the solder melts properly and the components are fused correctly. If this is not done properly, we may have to deal with issues such as misaligned components, poor connections, or short circuits. To make sure that the temperature values we set are giving us the desired results, it is essential to periodically record the thermal profile. The heating process consists of 4 main stages: preheating, soaking, reflow, and cooling. Preheating is the application of an initial heat to prevent the PCB from being damaged by sudden temperature changes. The aim of the soaking stage is to minimize the temperature difference across the PCB. The temperatures of components that heat up slowly are equalized with those that heat up quickly, ensuring a uniform heat distribution. The purpose of the reflow stage is for the solder to melt and bond the component to the board. The purpose of the cooling stage is to ensure that cooling happens gradually, thereby creating a strong bond between the solder and the board and making sure the components are firmly attached to the board. To ensure the consistency of the oven's temperature parameters, it is essential to periodically record the oven's profile using a thermal profiling device. This way, we can be sure that the oven provides the desired temperatures in the 4 stages we just mentioned. We compare the oven data we obtained with the solder data sheet we use, ensuring the consistency of the temperature profile in our setup. The data sheet of the solder we use provides us with certain temperature parameters. Based on these parameters they provide, we obtain a graph. For example, the resulting graph indicates that the peak temperature should be between 232 and 250 degrees. Let's check with the parameters we obtained from our oven. According to the temperature profile we obtained, we input the acquired temperature values into the oven and prepare it for mass production. The boards that have completed the baking process are sent to the AI machine. The AI machine performs automatic visual inspections of the board. Today, I talked to you about oven profiles, temperature values, and the reflow oven. See you in our next video.